So yesterday I posted these on Telegram. Okay, I posted it on Telegram channel, which is a crypto niche Telegram channel. So a friend of mine shared this with me. Obviously I don't post stuff like this, if you know all of these airdrops. Okay, except I see that there is a potential for that airdrop. Okay, so yeah, I know quite a number of people are interested in airdrops, doing some tasks online and later getting some reward from it, some benefit from it. Okay, so but this is different. Okay, and I want to take this seriously because you have a couple of opportunities and you have limited time to complete this. Okay, this campaign has been on since July 25th and it will end by August 8th. That is in the next few days, probably next 1 week. Okay, now this is how to go about it. Obviously you should definitely use my invite link and use my invitation code for it. Now the moment that you open this, click on this link. Okay, click on this link. I don't want to click on the link so that it won't look as if I'm referring myself. Okay, because most platforms, they have a rule against it. Okay, they have rule against it. So if you read their terms and conditions, they will tell you never to refer yourself because you are obviously trying to get the system. That's a very bad practice. All right, so that said, this link should take you to the Play Store. Okay, should take you to the Play Store, and if it didn't take you to the Play Store, what you can do is this. Okay, go to the Play Store. Let me go to the Play Store on my phone now. Okay, this is the Play Store. So when you get to the Play Store, search for Bitkeep. You can say Bitkeep crypto wallet. Okay, crypto wallet. Then click on it. You can see, because I've installed it on my phone already, it will take me to the to say I should open it. But if you don't have it on your phone already, to say install. Okay, then let's assume that I've been able to download it, I've been able to install it on my phone. So how do you know that you are actually interacting with the right Bitkeep wallet? So come here. Okay, come here. Then I think you should scroll down. Okay, let me check about this app. Click on about this app. Then if you scroll down, you see over 1 million plus downloads. Okay, and the last update was 18th of this month. Can you see it? That is how to confirm that you actually interacting with the genuine Bitkeep. Otherwise there may be another one on Play Store. I'm not sure. So now, having downloaded the app, okay, the wallet on your phone, so open it. Okay, so it's going to ask you to create a new wallet. So create an Ethereum wallet. You can see this is my wallet. Okay, I don't have a dime right there in the wallet. Okay, I don't have a dime right in the wallet. So you can see, so all you have to do after creating your wallet, you can back it up. Okay, you can back up the private keys or the seed phrase if you want. Okay, so you can back it up. So after backing it up, the next thing you want to do, come here and click on discover. Okay, click on discover. This is discover, right? So when you click on discover, at the top of it you see invite to get. This is where you make money from. Okay, this is where you make your money from. So you click on invite to get. Okay, this is invite to get. So you just wait a few seconds for that to load up. Okay, depending on your internet speed. So click on invite to get. Alright, so when you click here, then it will actually ask you for a code because someone invited me and I've already added his invitational code already. So that is why that page is not popping up. So if you want to participate in the invite to get, then it will ask you to click on it will ask you to enter a code of someone that invites you. Okay, so enter my code, which is DD5NKL. Just copy this. Okay, just copy the code. Go back to this Telegram post. Okay, then copy out that code, which is DD5NKL, right there on the screen. Okay, so copy that and paste it there. Now if you want to check all the friends that you've invited, click here and click on all invitation records. They're all there. Okay, this is what okay, all invitation record. And also make sure that you activate your cloud wallets. Okay, make sure that you activate your cloud wallets. Let me check. Let me go back to the wallet. So you can see this is cloud wallet here. Can you see it? Click on cloud wallets. Okay, then activate it. This is already activated. Okay, click on cloud wallet and activate it. All right, so three things. Use my invite link to download on Play Store. Okay, if you're using Android phone or iOS, install the app on your phone. Okay, then activate cloud wallets, then go to invite to get, click on invite to get, activate your affiliate with my code, which is DD4NKL. Okay, activate that. We are done with that. All right, we are done with that. Next thing you want to do is that come here. Okay, come to this message, because I'm going to adding the link to this post in the video description. Okay, so come to this message and share your invite code in the comment box. Your invite code in the comment box plus your Ethereum address. Okay, so how do you get your Ethereum address? Go back to your wallet, then click on Ethereum address, not cloud wallet, for God's sake. Okay, don't go back to cloud wallet again. Go to your main wallet, which is this. Okay, then copy out, click on receive. All right, I'm not cancel this now, just wait a few seconds. Okay, so then come here and copy the address. So copy the address. Okay, I'm going to say copy the address and paste it in the comment box. Okay, which comment box? Okay, it's the comment box of this post. Just leave a comment here, something like this. Yeah, then type the comments. So drop your invitational code plus your Ethereum wallet address right there. All right, so for those of you that would like to become a KOL, okay, you want to become their key opinion leaders, so go ahead and fill this form. Okay, sign up for Bitkeep KOL. If you want to become a KOL leader, that is a key opinion leader on their platform, and get some more rewards, then click on keep.com/us/affiliate/home, then apply to become their KOL. You can also do that through the app. Okay, you can do that through the app. So let me check Discover. Yeah, let me scroll down. I think I saw it somewhere yesterday on their app. Okay, how to become a KOL. If you want to become KOL on their platform, I can't find it anymore anyways. So, but if you cannot find it here, just go to their websites and apply as KOL. So I hope this makes sense to you. Okay, I hope you understand it. So if you have any question about this explanation, or you are stuck at any point in time, okay, feel free to leave me a comment. Leave a comment on YouTube. Okay, feel free to leave a comment on YouTube. Then if you are able to follow this instruction and you're able to do it, then let me know. Okay, if you're able to do it, let me know in the comment box on YouTube. Just type done. Okay, type done. You've done it. All right, so that's it, guys, on how to get this. And like I said yesterday, I said that when you receive the airdrop, okay, the Bitkeep, they have their own native token. Okay, they have their own native token. I'm not just like what the guy that actually sent this to me said. Okay, he's a trusted guy. He's been in the industry for a while. It's a bunch of experience. So he said that when you receive this airdrop, if you receive the Bitkeep native token, do not sell. Okay, do not sell. Even throughout this year, no matter the price, do not sell. Okay, because this may actually have a movement like TWT, which is Trust Wallet token. Okay, so you probably have to wait for the next bull season before you sell, because if you sell now, there is a chance that you actually regret selling it now. So whatever token that you receive from this, okay, you receive the Bitkeep native token, do not sell. Okay, do not sell. So if you receive XUI token, well, you may sell that, but the native token, do not sell the native token, at least for now. Okay, at least for now. So that's exactly what he told me, and I have no intention of selling any token. Whatever I receive here, I have no intention of selling them. Right. So guys, that's it for today. I hope to see you in another exciting tutorial. Bye for now.